Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to make WooCommerce bulk variations. Let's get started. So you can see right here that I have in here this school set product and I want to create a bulk variation for this. So I want to create 30 sets for this particular product. So what I can do is I can head over and then just put in here some value. So for this one, let's name it sets. And then you can set in here the value that make sure to use demarcation to separate the create options. So for example, you can put blue, then add demarcation, and then another option. So in order to speed this up, let's head over right here to ChatGPT to help us with this. I said with this, make me a list with set 1 until set 30 and separate each set with a demarcation. So from there, just send this to ChatGPT. So in here, ChatGPT has provided us with this one. So what we can do is we can head over and copy this and then just put it right here and click on the Save Attributes. Once we have done this, let's head over to our variations. And onto our variations, let's head over and then add in here a new attribute using this case. So we can generate variations with this one. Click on this Generate and then click on OK. And then this will load for a while in order to make us variations or attributes that we have set. So you can see in here the sets. It is from 1 until 15 and it has actually a second page that contains up till set 30. So for this one, let's head over and then update it. Click on this update option right here in order to update this right here. Once it's done updating, you can scroll up and then from there you can see the link for that particular product. So what we can do is you can right click on it and then open this in a new tab in order to see what it looks like right now. So here's our school set. So you can see right here that this school set is currently out of stock. That is because you need to actually assign some numbers to each set. So here it is right here. What you can do is click on this bulk action. And then from in there, you can see the prices. So you can set some prices for this one, or you can also manage the stock. So click on this toggle manage stock. And then this will open this bulk editor for these attributes. So you can head over and add some stocks for this one. So just click on this bulk action again, and then just click on stock, and then just enter in here a value for your stock. Now from in there, just scroll up, and then click on this update option in order to update the changes that you have just made. Now let's head over again here to our school set and let's try to refresh it in order to see the current status of this. And now you can see our school set right here, so you can choose the set or variable that you want. So we have in here the set 1 until set 30, so just choose which one and then click on this add to cart right here. So that's the whole process. If you have found it such a helpful, simply leave a like or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.